Several farmers have reportedly committed suicide in Maharashtra in the last few weeks. The Vidarbha Jan Andolan Samiti, a farmers' advocacy group, has claimed that 22 farmers have committed suicide in the last 3 weeks in the districts of Vidarbha and Marathwada. The group has claimed 9 farmers have killed themselves in the last 72 hours. The group also says the farmers have committed suicide after their crops were damaged in unusual hailstorms. Sources say over 16 lakh hectares of crops have been damaged. Though the Maharashtra government is yet to confirm these figures, they say standing orders to grant relief to affected farmers have been issued. The Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan has asked the centre for relief of 5,000 crore rupees, money which still is to be sanctioned.
अब तक 32 किसानों ने आत्महत्या की थी और आज और कल मिलकर 5 किसानों ने आत्महत्या की है, जिसके नाम मैंने अभी आपको दिए हैं। तो परिस्थिति बहुत गंभीर है, कठिन है, क्योंकि 28 से लेकर 10 तारीख तक, 10 मार्च तक ये पूरे राज्य में गारपीट होती रही, बरसात आई, उसके कारण पूरी रबी की फसल खत्म हो चुकी है। बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है और उसको कोई राहत नहीं मिली और इतने दिन राहत को लगना नहीं चाहिए थी, लेकिन केंद्र और राज्य की सरकार सोई हुई है।
सिस्टम को दोषी ठहराएंगे हम। ये सिस्टम बदलनी चाहिए। कितने लोग मारेंगे? केंद्र से घोषणा होनी है तो कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी से घोषणा होने दो। कब तक हम हमारे सामने हमारे किसानों की जान जाते हुए देखेंगे?
Tejas Mehta now joining us from Mumbai for more on that. Tejas, is the government saying that that money has not been cleared for relief because of the Model Code of Conduct?
Well, not really. I mean, he had gone to meet the election commission in Delhi. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, they had met, and the government of Maharashtra has issued standing orders for the release of some amount of money for different types of crops. Some compensation is being given to farmers, but that the sources in the government clearly is saying is not really sufficient, given the fact, for example, the crop of grapes. It takes a lot of money, really in lakhs actually, to grow a crop to 1 acre of grapes, for example, and farmers are, many of them, in fact, we are hearing, just looking at the crop, they have, and the damage that has been caused, it cannot be sold to any wholesale retailers, and many have died simply out of heart attack looking at the condition of their crops. How do they really return that money? It's impossible for them, because it's the vicious cycle which we have been, seeing for the last 1 decade itself, where farmers take loans for their crops. Then suddenly you have this unusual, be it rains, or you have this suddenly you have hailstorm, and then the crop gets damaged, and then they can't get the money back to pay money lenders, and then they commit suicide. So there are various reasons often, but the trigger points always are failure of crops. And this time around, once again, it's this unseasonal hailstorm which we are seeing, unusual hailstorm rather. We have never seen for such a long spell of a hailstorm in Maharashtra. Out of the 35 districts, the government of Maharashtra says that 28 districts have been affected. That's 16 lakh hectares of crops itself, be it grapes, oranges, be it onions, be it various other crops, rabi crops. All of this has been really damaged in the last 3 weeks itself, and therefore the opposition also agreeing with these figures that 22 deaths have been reported in the last 3 weeks itself. In the last 72 hours, about 9 farmers have committed suicide. So the focus, of course, is currently on trying to get this money from the centre as soon as possible, so that they can disperse it. But what we are being told by the government, sources in the government, is that it's stuck in red tape once again, because central teams are in the state itself. They're looking at what's really happened, assessing the damage. The report will go to the Maharashtra government. The Maharashtra government will give it to the centre, and it's an entire cycle of, in a sense, bureaucracy, as Sanjay Ross from the Shiv Sena was saying. It's the system basically. Can the system really, be so slow, where you are seeing farmers who are so aggrieved committing suicide, and therefore the system has to work far more quickly, and therefore, now it's also become a political issue, given the fact that at the end of the day, elections are close by. But more than that, it's at the end of the day a huge humanitarian crisis for all these farmers who are in millions in numbers across Maharashtra, 28 districts, the regions of North Maharashtra, that is Nashik area. You have grapes there, you have Vidarbha, you have cotton there, and you have Marathwada region itself. many of these are also, drought prone areas. So water is going to be a problem in many of these regions. So there are various factors, but the hailstorm, which was, for quite a long and unusual period of time, that is the main, reason, because the damage it has caused on most of their crops, and that's the reason why you're seeing farmers, these reports coming in of farmers committing suicide now. Amitabh?